Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the laptop so the emulator will run smoothly. Enable CPU virtualization in BIOS, and make sure you have at least 8 GB of RAM and a 64-bit OS. This matters for performance. Next, install Android Studio because it includes the official emulator and SDK tools. Once installed, open SDK Manager to download the Google Play System image for x86 or x86-64. Doing this gives you an emulator that officially supports Play. Once the SDK image is present, open AVD Manager and create a new virtual device. Pick a device profile that matches the apps you want to run. Then, choose the system image that explicitly shows Google Play. That tag matters because only those images include Play services and the store. Configure RAM and CPU to the recommended settings for your laptop. Allocate external storage if you need larger app data. Make sure cold boot is enabled, so the Play Store initializes cleanly the first time you run the AVD. Now launch the AVD and open the Play Store. You will sign in with your Google account the same way you do on a phone. Once signed in, update Google Play services and any system updates from the Play Store, then restart the emulator to apply changes. If an app needs testing, install it from Play or sideload an APK. If something goes wrong, wipe the AVD data or recreate the image. Also make sure virtualization drivers and graphics acceleration are enabled for stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.